Hey, I'm Shy Fox, and in this video I'll show you 5 unique Clip Studio paint brushes that you probably haven't tried yet. The best part is, of course, that they're free. Everyone loves cool free brushes. And these ones I thought were particularly cool and unique. The first brush I have for you today is this Fire and Flames brush. This brush was created by vanlau. It's actually a brush set, so there's a couple different styles of fire. It's kind of nice to have options and different looks that we could be using so that not all the fire maybe looks the same. So this is the Clip Studio Paint assets where we get our brushes from, and I've already downloaded this one, but you're going to click download, or you might be downloading straight from your assets in your Clip Studio here. You can look this one up by the ID or look for it in the video description. The brushes have been downloaded, so I'm going to just bring them in. And they're a set again, so I'm gonna click the first one, select them all with shift click, add palette. And I'm gonna do the same again, select them all and drag them into their own subtool folder. And here they are. The first one is this spark kind of effect. Ooh, fun. You could even tap to add these. I've got a big brush size going for these, but they're cool. Let's test out these fire brushes. Here we go. Ooh, pretty neat. Next one. Very cool. I can see these have different styles to the fire. Let's try drawing one like this. Wow. See what happens if we make the brush ginormous. Honestly, this is just fun. Brush number 2 is this gold tape brush. It's kind of like a ribbon, and this one's by Tomgu. You can look this up by the number or click it in the description. Testing out this ribbon brush. Ooh. It makes stamps essentially of random shaped ribbons. This might be really good for like a background scene with like party streamers. I am going to change the colors of the ribbons by going new layer on top and clipping it, changing this to color and choosing different colors. And I guess this is just kind of like a shortcut way to get fully rendered ribbons that otherwise you'd have to draw. Brush number 3 is going to be this Starry Sky and Galaxy brush set. This is another set, and this one is done by .avi. All right, let's start by testing sparkling galaxy dots. Ooh. Ooh, and some sparkly stars. Sparkling stars, pretty. And then this one's sparkling galaxy stars. Wow, so it's a bit of a 2-in-1, that brush. Cool, I could see making lots of really cool galaxy stuff with this brush set. Brush set number 4. It is called Hand Painted Fireworks Brushes. And this brush set is by 27PT. Let's try out these brushes. Woo! Yeah, so these are like a stamp. That's really, really cool. And we'll try the other one. Whoa, that's so cool. Whoa, this one seems to be doing more random stuff. And then we have these individual lines that you can do if you wanted to like manually draw your own fireworks. I suppose this is how you could do it. A little more tedious, but I guess that's kind of the benefit of the stamp strategy. Because, you know, I guess I'm not the best at drawing fireworks. And these could be good for like having lines that go up towards a firework like that or something. Oh, this one's cool because I can tell it has, it's like a dual color brush. So we got to change the color from black to maybe white, for example. And then it should be blue and white. I guess we have to click the blue again for it to do that. There. As far as a glowing brush goes, this alone is really, really cool. Oh, it fades out at the end. Hey, neat. Sorry, I'm just drawing hearts because it's like a go-to shape for testing. Whee! Okay, love this glowy brush. Very, very cool. And I could very much see using it for things that are not fireworks, just something glowy. Brush number 5 is this Snow Brushes Megapack. This one is also by .avi. Some of these packs do have a lot of brushes, so I like to move them into their own subtool folder again. I like how these are named Snow Lumps, Snow Spots, Snow Fluffy, so that gives you an idea of how you might use them. So I'm going to do something logical and start with Snow Pile. Snow Pile 2. Offering some variation perhaps. Snow Fluffy. Ooh. Snow Spots. Wow, this one's cool. Snow Lumps. Diamond Dust. Whoa! Some snow for our sky. Snow Wet Lumps. Snow Falling. Snow Splatter. I don't know how to use this one. I'm just testing it. Snow Pile Soft. Oh. So which of these 5 brushes was your favorite? Comment and let me know. And subscribe if you want to see more tutorials, including more tutorials on cool brushes or Clip Studio paint and general art tutorials. Comment your questions and thoughts and any other video suggestions you may have. I generally reply to all comments. Leave a like if you like this. We'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!